Guys, so excited to share with you this awesome vacuum cleaner. It comes in this nice carrying case. I'm gonna open it up and show you what we got. So the carrying case is incredible just to hold all these attachments in so you have everything in one spot, but it's so nice that it comes with some extra filters, the main device, and this battery, which is rechargeable, very great, 20 volts. And these attachments are so great to grab those crumbs or anything that's in those hard to reach spots. So check that out. Here's the charger. I'm gonna charge it up and show you how great it works. One place in my car that gets so messy is by the car seats. So it's so nice to have this super easy vacuum to suck everything up. I'm gonna show you how well it works. So if you're looking for a great vacuum that's cordless, it's so easy and has high, strong power, definitely go check this one out.